just arrived at the engine fuel station in Worcester. There's a couple of boys that have come out. We're going to have a little fun day for Louis' birthday, which was yesterday, and a little bit of a celebration. Of course, Louis is going to turn it into some form of challenge. So we've brought the gazebos, we've brought the braais, we've brought the meat, and we've got the cars. A few guys have come in different cars this time, so we're going to focus on that a little bit later. And Louis set up some challenge. I always get nervous when this guy's put a challenge together that I don't know what it's all about, because this guy and his challenges, it's just somewhere past my level. But let's see what we get into. Stay tuned.
The first challenge of the day was some gravel drags, and first up we have Johan.
He is flying along here. Yeah, it didn't look like he slowed down when he hit the finish, eh? He just kept on going. I'm going to be eating dust here all day long. It's faster than you.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Okay, Craig wants to go.
Wait, we've got dust, we can't see.
That's fine, we're just lining him up. On your mark, get set, go!
Accident launch for.
JP,
Too short. I want more distance. I didn't see 200. I want to see 200.
Your speedometer is broken.
Distance is too short.
And Petrus,
Yo!
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. That was fun. It's what we need on a Wednesday. We should do it more often.
What is that?
11.5 for Anthony.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
11:54. I can improve.
You have another run?
I don't know what the story is. If we can have another run, I'd like one. Yeah, that was fun. Here comes Marcus. Break over that bump.
No, you accelerate over that one.
Yeah.
What's the time?
12.
It's not bad.
12 on the head or what?
12 on the dot.
What was mine?
I missed the launcher properly.
You're fine. Half a second slower than Ant, so it's not too
Oh,
bad.
okay, I'm going again.
No, you can't go again. We've got to make sure everybody goes again. I don't think my cat.
Good.
What is the time?
12.16.
12.16.
That thing makes speed at the end.
Yeah, Louis is going to have that
But he bought-
octane
but he
booster
bought
that
that
I gave him earlier. Either that or he's going to need a bit of Dutch courage, but he's not winning this one so far. Oh, he's doing it in reverse now.
Guess what your time was?
11, 12 seconds maybe.
You're 3 seconds slower than a Hilux. Yeah. Cool.
You went 12.16.
12.60.
You were sleeping at the line.
Okay, then the launch didn't go well.
I think
Rally, man. Keep it rally. These are the drags. Louis' bucket just went all hog wild. Awesome stuff, man. I'm telling you, awesome stuff.
The next challenge is a rally stage for the guys to complete.
Everyone's lining up. I think everyone's got a bit of confidence. We've all done a test run. So is Petrus going first? All right, so Petrus is going up first. He's using his tow vehicle from the shop.
I'm pumped.
Excited.
Gonna give it some turbo diesel.
You got your money on this one.
Oh, you know, it's based on the drag race. It's going to be hard to beat 400 plus kilowatts in that red bucky. So normally that thing is running 800 plus kilowatts, but he's detuned it to run on pump fuel, and now it makes somewhere in the 400s only. But yeah, that thing is just unbelievably quick and it's light. So I don't think any of us are going to beat JP in a hurry.
So it's 5 per second.
Yeah, but up next we've got a very powerful diesel Hilux from Marcus at Tech Communications. Right, Marcus, I'm going to count you down. Are you ready? Considering that he's now watched us all do it, he's probably come and practiced the whole week, right, in his home turf. But that being said, you know, we did lay down some good times, so it'll be interesting. If he doesn't win, I think that's more of a lose for Louis, right? Whether he's got the fastest car or not, this is his home turf. I can just imagine Louis telling us stories about him on his tricycle, into his bicycle, into his racer, into his first car, into his beach buggy, doing this little trail. So he knows where every little nook and cranny is, yeah? But can he beat us?
Oh my God!
Okay, so we've done 2 challenges. Patrol's going well so far. They were speed challenges, so maybe it does kind of suit the car. It is in one piece, and when I say piece, it's still wearing its battle scars from the Desert and Diamonds Dash. If you haven't watched that video, you need to go and check it out. Sun has come out, so I've got my nice floppy hat on. I've got Louis' favorite sayings on my t-shirt. Let's go, go, go. And you're the man. UV protective, so this is great summer gear. And we're now about to do a challenge to see who can actually have the most control in driving slowly up a hill. So keep your eyes peeled on this one.
This next challenge is to see who can drive the smoothest lines through a 4x4 course while balancing a plate of tennis balls on the bonnet.
Alright, so we're on the 3rd challenge, and we have to come through the sort of rocky area with a bit of an axle twister. And there's a bowl that's mounted to the top of the bonnet with 3 little suctions, and then you've got to carry 5 tennis balls. And it's the person who can make it the quickest between the power flow flag, around the DSX flag, around this DSX, and then past the that's how steep it is, okay? Past the Kennedy flag, and then for every ball that falls off, we take 20%, we add 20% to your time. And of course, if you don't have any balls fall off, then you've got a great time, hopefully, if you haven't gone too slowly. But the key is right here. The key, where you've slipped, that is the key right here, because the whole car has an axle twister.
First up, we have Louis from DSX. Let's see how good he is at balancing balls.
Didn't lose any balls.
see when someone's lost their balls, they get angry. Hey, I did it. I don't know what my time was, but I had all the balls towards the end. So that was quite a fun challenge actually.
Okay, I've just looked at the results and it looks like
For Louis' birthday bash, right? So we all came out from Cape Town to join him and his mates in Worcester for a fun day out, and it has been great.
so for a fun day out we had Anthony as our winner. Congratulations.
Sure.
And you've done it. You're the man. You can do it.
You know what?
And for now,
I think that this is some form of reverse psychology so that you guys can keep me in Cape Route Rally. Because every time I join one, I break my car, something goes wrong,
well,
and it's not good for me.
today it didn't go wrong. Today it went your way. So congratulations on that one. In the second place we got JP with the V8 power Patrol, and then of course in the third place, that is only a once off for the sport for my birthday. I'll take the third place.
We'll put you on the podium.
So it was fun. It was
Cool.
It was a lot of fun having you guys from Cape Town, and we're looking forward to the next one.
And that's what it's all about, guys, the spirit of Cape Route Rally. We band together, we bond together, we have fun together, we drive together, we take it to the limit, and we always look forward to the next one.